Hi, today I'll be doing a Vietnamese pho mukbang, or you can call it a pho challenge. I just made this huge ball of pho from the CooknHook Vietnamese pho kit. And as you can see right here, I'm about to pour in the broth into this massive bowl. Alright, so to start off, I just put on the broth, onions, and green onions, purple onions, and this is some Thai basil. Picked up some leaves. And then some bean sprout. And to finish it off, I can add sriracha or hoisin sauce too, but I like to dip it on the side. Just add a little bit to spice it up a little bit. Alright, and let's get started. Wow, this is really good, guys. A little bit sriracha. Oh, this is really good, guys. I don't think I can finish this, guys, but it's really good. You can always add filet mignon like this, or meatball like these, or any other protein that you like. I think I might do with the lobster next time. One third, guys. Almost done. I think I'm halfway through. Look how much noodle I have left. can't really. I wish I can keep continue. It's so good. But this is my limit. I think I did pretty good right here. That's it. I can't do it no more. How do you guys think about this? Like the huge bowl of pho out of like this little box right here, and you can make it at the comfort of your own place. It's so good, so authentic. You can surprise your friends, family. Thanks CooknHook for sponsoring this massive bowl of pho today for me. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time.